Welcome, here I've got Honor 9X and I'm gonna show the top tricks of its camera. So we start with the camera button here. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's take a look around at all of these settings. We start with this button in the center. This is the flash, so here we can turn on the auto flash. Turn on flash every time we take a picture. Turn on the flash always on, so here we have the light. And turn it off. The next one button here are the filters, so here we can make our picture just more beautiful before we take it. And as you can see, we get access to this slider and pick the filter, and this is how it works. I'm going to stay for the original one for now. And now let's take a look at this button here. This is the zoom, so here we can get really close to our subject, and also we can go back to the wide lens here. And also to zoom we can use these two fingers to do it like that. And the other useful thing I want to show you is that when we tap on the screen we get access to the square. This is the focusing, and also this sun icon. So when we tap on this we get access to the exposure compensation, so here we can make our picture just more bright or more dark as we need before we take it. This is how it works. And now let's move to this settings bar here. So here we can change the modes of this camera. As you can see, by going to the left we get access to the aperture, night and portrait mode, and here we are in the standard photo mode. And to the right we go to the video mode and get access to the more advanced modes, for example the pro mode or the time-lapse. So I recommend you to making experiments with that and just have fun. And we go back to the standard photo mode, and let's go to the more advanced settings, which are here in the right corner. So by tapping on this button we get access to the general settings and the capture settings like that. So let's go to the resolution. So here we can pick the resolution and the quality of our picture. We can get access to the best possible quality of this camera. So the ratio is 4:3 with 48 megapixels. This is how it looks like. The recommended one is the 4:3 with 12 megapixels. And also we get access to the square 1:1 ratio with 9 megapixels. This is how it looks like. And the last one here is the full screen resolution with 7 megapixels, and this is how it looks like. So for now let's take a move to the location tags. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn on and turn off the location tags here. This is how it works. So when we really want to save the location of our device and of our picture, the important thing is that we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device here. So let's take a look. The location tags are here in the second line. So Stare Miasto Kraków, greetings from Poland. And we go back to this advanced settings of the camera here. The next one here is the watermark. So by tapping on this we can easily turn on and turn off the camera watermark of this device. So let me take a picture to show you how it works. And let's go to the preview again. And as you can see, the camera watermark is here. So Honor 9X triple camera. This is how it looks like. And of course when we want to turn it off we get to tap on this button like that. And now let's move to the capture settings. The first one here are the assistive grids. So by tapping on this we get access to the grid lines. So let me stay on the turn on the grid lines to show you how it looks like. So this is it. That's the grid lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with the composition of our picture. So this is the simplest way to turn it on. Also here we can manage the mute of our camera, so we can turn on and turn off the camera sounds here. And here we also get access to the camera timer. So here we can change to delay taking picture. As you can see we can pick from 2, 5 and 10 seconds. I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show you how it works. And as you can see the picture was taken with 2 seconds delay. So for now I'm going to turn it off. And let's go to the audio control. So here we can turn on the voice control and take a picture by saying just one word. So let's tap on this. By tapping on this, we can turn on and turn off the audio control here. And when we keep turning it on, we can tick from say cheese to take photos and speak loudly to take photos. So I'm going to say cheese, pick say cheese to take photos to show you how it works, and let's try to take a picture. Cheese. And as you can see, the picture was taken by saying just one word without touching the screen. So this is very useful, for example, when we want to taking pictures with some distance. And now, after turning on all of these settings and manage this, we may want to go back to the original settings. So we can do it by tapping on this restore defaults and OK. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.